The Supreme Court on Thursday said that no further such suits can be registered till it hears and disposes of the petitions challenging the Places of Worship Special Provisions Act 1991. Surveys of places of worship cannot be conducted and no fresh suits can be registered until the validity of the Places of Worship Special Provisions Act 1991 is decided, the Supreme Court said on Thursday. The court also instructed all lower courts to not examine cases related to the surveys of places of worship or pass any orders in such matters. The top court's directive came as it was hearing a batch of petitions challenging the constitutionality of the 1991 law. It also sought Centre's response to the pleas and gave it 4 weeks to file a counter affidavit. The matter was taken up by a bench comprising Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna and Justices P.V. Sanjay Kumar and K.V. Viswanathan. As the matter is sub judice before this court, we deem it fit to direct that no fresh suits shall be registered or proceedings be ordered. In the pending suits, courts would not pass any effective order or final orders. When a matter is pending before us, is it just and fair for any other court to examine it? We are on Virace as well as ambit of the Act. We have the Ram Janmabhoomi case also, the Supreme Court said. Various Hindu organizations and people who claim that some mosques were built over ancient temples have filed the petitions challenging the 1991 law. Key provisions under review include sections 2, 3, and 4, which prevent the conversion of religious sites and lawsuits about their status as of 1947. The petition argued that the Act stops lawsuits aimed at reclaiming places of worship or changing their status from what it was on August 15, 1947. Petitioners, including religious leaders, politicians, and advocates, claim the Act violates the rights of Hindus, Jains, Buddhists, and Sikhs to restore and manage their places of worship, breaching their constitutional rights under Articles 25, 26, and 29. Application for impleadment stands allowed. Union has not filed a counter, let the counter filed within 4 weeks, the top court said. The outcome of this case could impact ongoing lawsuits filed by Hindu plaintiffs seeking rights to properties with Muslim mosques, claiming these mosques were built over ancient temples. These cases include disputes over the Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal, the Gyanvapi Mosque in Varanasi, the Shahi Eidgah Masjid in Mathura, and the Ajmer Dargah in Rajasthan. Muslim parties have contested the validity of these suits, referencing the Places of Worship Act.
Click on the link in the description to read more about the story. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to Law Today for more updates about what is happening in courts across the country.